priest, no? Pag nag-uumpisa ako, ang sinasabi niya lagi sa akin, you know, today, nagdiriwang sila, may fiesta sa langit ngayon. Why? There's one repentant sinner. Sana tayo rin, no? In order that there be great rejoicing, there has to be repentance. The parable is called that of the prodigal son. Ano ibig sabihin ng prodigal? One who spends a lot. One who is profuse in spending everything he has. May nagsabi, no? In fact, it's very much said by Father John Lingan, na dapat yung title nito, hindi prodigal son. Ano? It's the parable of the prodigal father. Kasi yung tatay, siya yung nagbigay. Siya yung nagbigay ng napakarami. And it's the parable of the merciful father. Na pag titignan natin yung talinghaga, we will not have any sympathy for the son. Kung kayo yung tatay, tapos meron kang anak na 20 years old or young, in his early 20s, lumapit sa'yo, tapos sabi, tay, bigay mo na yung mana sa akin. Anong gagawin mo? Papayag ka ba? Hindi, no? Ang ano naman, buhay pa ako, hihingin mo na yung mana. So we do not have any sympathy for him. Tapos kung ano pa yung ginawa niya. That's why in the parable there's it's something unexpected. It jolts us. Why? Pagbalik ng anak, ano yung ginawa ng tatay? Lumabas siya, tinanggap siya, niyakap siya, binigay sa kanya.
No.
Ng